Hi, it's Tessa here. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video of our H20 E3 S-Water Natural Cleaning System Kit. So in your box here you get your water squeegee, which is fantastic for your shower walls. You get the bottom piece of your S-Mop. So there's actually 3 pieces of your S-Mop that you put together. So this is your microfiber pad. Then you've got your top part of the mop, which has got your little nozzle on there for spraying out your liquid. Then you've got the middle part of the mop. Now this actually has your activator bottle already attached to it, so you can take it out like so. So you've got your middle part of the mop and you've also got your activator bottle. Now putting those 3 pieces together, what it's actually going to look like is this mop here. So that's what it's going to look like when it's all put together. Next up you have the spray nozzle, so that goes on the top of your activator bottle. You've got your 2 little travel bottles, so your S-Water can go anywhere that you go. You get your measuring spoon, which is excellent for measuring out your salt and your vinegar. And in this little box here, you've got your charging cable, which puts the electricity through the activator bottle for you and changes the molecules to get your brilliant S-Water. And then finally in your box, you've got your really great instruction book there as well.